Welcome everyone to English Speaking with Hamim.
Where learning English becomes fun, easy, and full of energy.
Together, we'll practice real conversations and boost your confidence.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's start speaking English, well, the fun way.
Hey everyone, welcome to English Speaking with Hamim.
We are so excited for today's lesson.
Laura, I think you woke up extra brave today. Or maybe you just had strong coffee.
Oh, please, Hamim. You look more confident than me. Like you scared your own fear this morning.
If my fear saw my face in the mirror, it probably ran away very fast.
Maybe that is the secret. Just make fear confused and it will leave you alone.
Sometimes fear thinks it is big, but when I talk kindly to myself, it becomes so tiny.
Yes, tiny fear is easier to handle, and a small smile can make it even smaller.
I always try to smile when I am scared. Even a little smile helps my heart relax.
That small smile is like a magic trick, and it shows you have calm confidence already.
You know, sometimes I tease my fear like, come on, don't be dramatic today.
That is cute, and it makes fear feel like a small child who needs a nap.
When I take one simple step, even a small one, I feel stronger inside.
Small steps are great. They grow confidence slowly, but very surely.
I used to think confidence needed big moves, but now I see it grows from tiny moments.
Exactly. Gentle steps help you more than big jumps, and they feel safe, too.
Fear tries to stop me before I start, but when I begin anyway, it becomes quiet.
That is the best feeling when fear becomes shy because you decided to move forward.
Sometimes I whisper to myself, you got this, and it makes fear softer.
Those simple words are powerful, and they give your mind a warm little push.
When I talk about my fears with someone friendly, I feel lighter and more open.
Talking helps a lot, and it makes confidence grow in a warm, natural way.
I try not to be hard on myself. I remind myself that everyone feels fear sometimes.
True, even strong people feel fear, but they walk with it, not against it.
I like that. Walking with fear slowly, not fighting it.
Yes, gentle walking makes everything easier, and your confidence stays steady.
I also noticed that when I laugh a little, fear becomes confused and runs away.
Fear does not like laughter. It prefers silence, but we don't give it that.
Confidence feels like a soft light inside me. Not loud, just warm.
Warm confidence is the best kind, and it helps you move with ease.
Sometimes I think fear wants attention, but I give attention to my courage instead.
That is a smart choice, and it teaches fear who's the boss.
When I make a small plan, my fear becomes calm because it knows I'm ready.
Plans make everything feel safer, and they help your confidence stay strong.
I also try to look at things with curiosity instead of fear.
Curiosity makes fear softer because you focus on learning, not worrying.
Every time I try something new, I feel a small push of courage inside me.
That push is real confidence growing, and you should be proud of it.
Even when I feel afraid, I remind myself that courage is just one small step away.
And you take that step every time, even when you think you don't.
Laura, I think my fear is starting to get jealous of my confidence. It keeps looking at me like, hey, why are you ignoring me today? Laugh softly.
Maybe your fear just wants attention, but your confidence is the one doing all the real work now.
Honestly, I think my confidence is getting stronger because I talk to it more kindly.
Kind words make confidence grow fast, like giving water to a small plant.
Sometimes I joke with my fear and say, relax, you're not the boss today.
I love that, because fear acts big, but it becomes confused when you talk to it calmly.
It always tries to scare me before I start something new. But when I begin anyway, it becomes quiet.
Starting is the secret. When you take the first step, fear loses its power.
I try reminding myself, just try for a moment. And that moment feels easy.
Yes, small moments can make big courage. They feel simple, but they help a lot.
You know, sometimes I think fear is funny because it talks loudly but has no real strength.
That is true. Fear is only loud, but your confidence actually does the action.
When I focus on one small move, I feel like confidence grows quietly inside me.
Quiet confidence is beautiful. It doesn't shout, but it shines.
I used to think courage means being strong all the time, but now I see it is just trying again.
Trying again is real courage, and you do it naturally, even on hard days.
Talking with you makes courage easier. It feels like fear becomes softer when we speak.
I'm glad because your honesty makes confidence flow smoothly through the conversation.
Sometimes I think fear wants me to stop, but I tell myself, no, keep going.
That is a powerful choice, and it shows how much control you have now.
When I imagine fear as a small character, I feel less scared.
Yes, imagination helps. It turns fear into something small and harmless.
I also like celebrating small wins. Even tiny progress makes me happy.
Small wins are the best. They build confidence step by step without pressure.
Sometimes I feel fear in my chest, but when I breathe normally, it becomes calm.
Breathing is simple but strong. It tells your body everything is okay.
I tell myself, you don't need to be perfect, just present.
Present moments are enough. Confidence grows in those quiet seconds.
Fear still comes back sometimes, but I don't let it lead anymore.
Exactly. You can let it walk beside you, but you choose the direction.
Confidence feels like a soft light, slowly getting brighter day by day.
That light is always inside you, even when fear tries to cover it.
Laura, sometimes I think my fear is like a lazy student who never does homework but still wants to be important.
That is perfect. And your confidence is the smart student who actually shows up and does the work.
Yes, confidence always arrives with a small smile, like, let's just try, no stress.
And fear arrives with big noise, but no real plan. It's all talk.
I've learned that when I take even one small action, fear becomes very quiet.
Action is like a gentle teacher. It teaches fear to sit down and relax.
Sometimes I trick my fear by telling it, we're not doing anything big. Then I start anyway.
Smart move. Fear hates when you surprise it with calm courage.
The funny part is that fear becomes smaller each time I try something simple.
Yes, each simple try makes fear shrink and confidence grow.
I used to wait for courage first, but now I move and courage comes after.
That is the real secret. Courage follows action, not the other way around.
Talking about fear makes it feel so much lighter, almost friendly sometimes.
Because you are not hiding it. You are facing it with kindness and humor.
I tell myself, just begin, and that tiny begin pushes everything forward.
Beginnings are powerful, even small ones. They open the door for confidence.
I also laugh at myself a little when I'm scared. It helps me relax.
Yes, laughing makes fear lose all its drama.
Fear tries to tell me stories, but I answer with simple facts. I can try. I can learn.
Facts are calm and strong. They make fear stories disappear fast.
When I do something new, even slowly, I feel a warm confidence waking up.
That warm feeling is real growth, soft but strong.
Sometimes I say, okay, fear, you can come, but I'm still going.
That attitude is brave. Fear walks what you lead the way.
Confidence is starting to feel like a friend now, not something far away.
It is always with you, Hamim. You just needed to notice it.
Laura, you look like you're ready to steal all my confidence today with that smile. You know that, right?
And you look like you're ready to pretend you are confident while your hands shake a little.
Hey, my hands shake only when you make jokes like that, but it feels good because it pushes me.
I tease you because you always rise a little higher when someone challenges you.
Confidence grows faster when someone believes in you, even when you don't fully believe in yourself.
Yes, and fear becomes smaller when you talk about it with someone who understands your heart.
Sometimes fear feels big in my mind, but when I say it out loud, it loses power.
That is true, because fear loves silence, but confidence loves voice and movement.
I try to move even when I feel nervous. Even a small step helps me feel alive.
And every small step becomes a big history inside you, one that shows you can grow every day.
Many times I think fear will block me, but then I remember a small success and I continue.
You always forget your wins, Hamim. You keep them so far behind you, but they are close if you look.
Maybe I forget because I always want to be better. But sometimes I need to stop and see I'm improving.
Yes, and when you see the improvement, confidence becomes warmer, like a friend walking beside you.
You always explain things in a way that makes fear look weak and makes growth look strong.
Because I know fear is only a story in the mind, but your actions show the real truth.